Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BetMGM how to change the decimal odds. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change BetMGM odds format to decimal, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your BetMGM app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged in with the credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside your profile page, select account. Then once you're inside your account, select settings or preferences. Then once you're inside, find odds display format. And then once you're inside, you can choose decimal from the options. And once done, simply click on save and that will be set to the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.